Hello, my name is Jessica Wendel and I'm the woman behind Visualisieren können alle. I live in Germany and as an interior architect I teach at a technical wood engineering and design school. The courses I offer, they are about design, construction and drawing. I also give webinars on digital drawing apps for the iPad. Today I want to give you a brief introduction to how I always start my design process. For the first step, I use Morpholio Board. Before you can design spaces and sketch your ideas as perspectives, you have to know what to draw. For me, mood boards are the way I conceive, design and create spaces. By looking at pictures, I can see if the colors, materials and products, they go together and the space becomes a reality in my head. When I'm done with the mood board, I know exactly what to draw afterwards. My students often ask what is the correct order of a project, and in my opinion, perspective drawing comes at the very end. First, I need to know what the interior should look like, and that's why it's best to create mood boards. It will also help you if you're unsure at the beginning. Okay, let's have a closer look into Morpholio Board. This is how it looks, and before I start a mood board, I usually go into Pinterest and look for ideas. So I have collected a lot of pictures here in this pin. These belong to one project and I would like to do the mood board for one bedroom. I already started my board and I will open it. And what I would like to show you is 5 tips for great features how you can use Morpholio Board. And the first one is the Pinterest portal. So I have collected all my images on Pinterest and I can now tap on Pinterest and can look for my pin and all the pictures I saved and can directly insert them into my board. For example, like this. As you can see, I already have the plant here, but this is what I really love about Morpholio Board, that I can just take my pictures without saving them in my gallery or wherever, and I can put them into my board. Another great feature or tool is the shape sheet. Here you can read it in German, it says form, and what it makes is you can search for any product you want to. You can also take your products you have already in your board and put them here in this circle. I will take this side table because I want to have another side table or a different one which has this same shape but maybe a different color or looks different. So for example, this one, I like this one a lot, so I will insert it into my board with the plus, and then I close this shape sheet and here it is already, and I can change the size if I like and put it instead of the black one into this board. Another feature I really like and I would recommend to you to use it is the color sheet. So for example, I have this armchair and I like the color, but actually I don't like the shape. I think it doesn't fit to the rest of the room. So that's why I go to color sheet. In German it says Farbe. And I can choose now this armchair and put it here in this circle in the middle. And now I can look for this one, for example, and I like the shape a lot better. So that's why I insert this into my board. And here it goes. And I can put this instead of the other one at this position. So what's not very nice, and this is my fourth feature I love, is that I have this white background and I don't want to have it. So there is this amazing Cutout tool. I just choose this picture and then I tap on this button over here with the plus, and the white background is gone. And I can see that there are still some shadows, so I can tap more often on this button and it will clear everything in the background, and now I'm very happy with it and I keep it like this. I love the last feature. It's called Color Swatch, and if you tap on this button over here, you can first choose how your swatch should look like. There are a lot of different options, and I prefer, for example, this one over here, and then I can go to my color pick and use or choose whichever color I would like to, and add this swatch over here and position it wherever I want to, and I can get any color I already have in my mood board and can show the customer which colors are the most common ones in my design. Now it's your turn to create stunning mood boards for your customers or for all the projects you have. Just try these features and have fun doing it.